It's Friday, so it can only mean one thing. We're in San Francisco and we're gonna be looking at the west side today. It's really cool weather, it's blue skies, and we've just taken about 15 minutes to get out of Embarcadero, and we came to Judah and 16th. We're gonna walk up and see what's going on here. Okay, we're in Moraga Street, and this is where we were planning to come to go to see some really cool stairs. Apparently those stairs were made to mimic those in Rio de Janeiro, and you can see that Maria is already going up. She can't wait.
Cool, actually. It's a community project, so the neighbors living here decided to transform these steps into a work of art, basically. The view from above is incredible.
Alright, there are more stairs to go. Let's get out there.
We're heading to our brunch spots. We're gonna check out this Mexican restaurant called Nopalito, and it has amazing reviews, so as always, you know, we have very high expectations, so we'll see how it goes. Wow, this salad is delicious and so refreshing, and I never thought you would put chili on top of grapefruit and oranges, but it's actually an amazing combination. Pretty good. Where are we?
So we're in the Japanese garden in Golden Gate Park, and it looks amazing, and we would have gone there except for the fact that Maria lived in Japan for like 10 years and I've been visiting for many years as well, so it's $9 to get in, 18 for 2. I think we'll spend that money on something else today. Sorry.
But if you've never been to a Japanese garden, this one looks pretty awesome, so yeah, you should check it out. Straight to the cakes. Wow, look at that cheesecake, so dense. I'm gonna go for this one, Patrushka. Looks like a New York cheesecake. What did you get there?
Okay, I got myself baked piroshki with beef, which obviously reminds me of my childhood. What did you get?
I forgot what it's called.
It's called vatrushka. So this white thing in the middle is like Russian cottage cheese, but it's called tvorog.
It looks delicious.
And it's got some sugar in it, so it was going to be a little bit sweet, but hopefully you like it.
We were about to hop on the BART station to go back to Berkeley, but we passed by this bar and we couldn't not try it. And it's a Moroccan kind of lounge bar, and they have awesome cocktails and beers. So this is how we're gonna end our day today. Cheers!
Cheers, guys!
See you on the next one.